finding the working coupons on Genshin Impact is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can find the working coupons in your Genshin Impact. So as we know, Genshin Impact is a open world RPG game which is very famous these days. So how you guys can find the working coupons? So in order to do that, you just need to search the quest in your near area in Genshin Impact. So of course, in my case, I don't have Genshin Impact on my computer, so I cannot currently show you how you guys can do it. You just need to open up your game and try to find the quest. After completing any of the quests, or there are several quests that pay you 280 coupon chests, will give you 30 coupons. So you just need to open up coupon chests, which will give you coupons. So you just need to start playing the game. You just need to keep on grinding the game. You just need to follow as much quests as much possible. After completing those quests, you will be rewarded with coupon chests. So you just need to keep on opening the chests until you will get coupons. So you just need to keep on collecting the coupons unless you get enough coupons so that you can make a purchase. So that's the structure. That's how you guys can find the working coupons in Genshin Impact. Hope you guys found this video helpful.